Always remember to check DSSSM, doors, seat, steering wheel, seatbelt, mirrors. Doors. Close the door properly to avoid disqualification during the examination. Seat. Adjust the seat to your comfortable position. Steering wheel. Adjust the steering wheel to your comfortable height. Hold the steering wheel firmly to detect your fingerprints. Seatbelt. Buckle up the seatbelt to avoid disqualification from the test. Mirrors. Adjust the mirrors to clearly see the rear and side views. Show thumbs up in the right camera when you are ready. Examination will begin. Start the parking test with reverse gear. Prepare, observe, and check all sides before you begin the parking maneuvers. Release the handbrake. Reverse slowly while checking behind. Proceed to your first parking test. RTA Parking Test 1, Emergency Brake Test. Observe before accelerating. Apply hard brake first and then clutch for manual transmission. Apply hard brake for automatic transmission. Maintain the speed of 20 km to 25 km per hour before crossing the white line. Hold the steering wheel firmly with both hands. As soon as you hear the beep sound, immediately apply hard brake. Do not exceed the speed over 20 km per hour while exiting the line. Proceed to the next test while checking the other vehicles. Emergency brake test tip 1. For manual transmission, you will immediately fail for first pressing the clutch pedal and then the brake pedal. Emergency brake test tip 2. Do not press both the clutch and brake pedal together. Emergency brake test tip 3. Do not exceed the speed of 35 km per hour, otherwise disqualification will be applied. Emergency brake test tip 4. Do not immediately increase the speed after stopping the vehicle. You will be immediately disqualified for exceeding the speed and the vehicle will crash. How to restart the engine on automatic transmission vehicle. Step 1. Shift to neutral gear mode. Step 2. Switch on the engine. Step 3. Shift to drive gear or first gear to move the vehicle.